Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Monero. Today is a very important day for the XMR as it is trying to break out the very important resistance level of $70. So in today's video, we will watch this move of the Monero and we will also take a look at this pennant that is formed by the price action of Monero on daily chart, and we will try to watch the position of the different simple moving averages with the exponential moving averages as well. And we will also watch this movement of the Monero in a very big wedge pattern that is formed on the weekly chart. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this very big bullish bad pattern that can lead the Monero up to more than 350% bullish rally. So let's start the video. After the drop of March, the Monero formed this bullish crab pattern, and I just posted this chart on 17th of March, and I predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish crab pattern, the price action should take the bullish divergence from this PRZ or potential reversal zone of this pattern that starts from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level of this final leg. And I'm just playing this chart. I just posted this idea on March 17, and now you can see that the price action started a very strong bullish rally, and it produced more than 160% bullish rally so far. It is at the highest price, and that is the $70. That is the most recent highest price by the price action of Monero, and that is over a very strong resistance level as well. At this time, we can see that the price action is at the $70 resistance level. Previously, when the price action crossed up this resistance level of $60, I just predicted that the price action will retest this previous resistance level as a support, and after that it will move up more to the next resistance level. And this was my previous article that I shared with you in my previous video. At that time, we can see that it was at $60 and just crossed the $60 resistance level and at that time it was retesting the support. And now it is moved up to the next resistance level of $70. And if the price action will be able to cross up or break out this resistance of $70, then we will have the next resistance level at $80. This $70 resistance is very strong, as we can see that it has been working as a resistance since April 2019. And it was the price action was not able to break out this resistance level again since it was broken down in March 2020 recently, after the recent drop of March. And the next resistance level of $80 will be also very much important, as it has been working several times as a support and also as resistance as well. Now let's move to the next chart, and here we can see that the price action has formed a pennant, and at this time the price action is moving within this pennant since 29th of April 2020, and so far the price action is not able to break out from this pennant even after the several attempts. At this time we have the most strongest attempt by the price action of Monero. It is making today to break out the resistance of this pennant. And if we want the position of the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 20 on this daily chart, then we can see since the price action started the bullish rally after the mid of March, and the price action crossed up these two EMAs, and these two EMAs have formed the golden cross or bull cross on April 4, and after that these two EMAs never formed any bear cross. Here we were expecting, when the price action was at the support, that it will these two EMAs will form the bear cross, and it can lead to a downward bearish rally. But at that time the price action used these two EMAs as support very well and moved up again. And at this time, since after April 4, these two EMAs are providing very good support to the price action. As we can see here, it was used as a support. Here the price action used these two EMAs as a support and bounced up, and here and at this level, and finally we have this bounce by the EMAs very close to the support resistance of this pattern. Now after finding this pattern, I'm just placing the volume profile fixed range on the complete price action moving within this pennant, and we can find that the price that the trader's interest is from the downside up to $63 and from the upside up to $68. At this time, the price action is moving at the area where the trader's interest is very low. Therefore, we need more interest of the traders by the volume profile up to this level, and it is possible that with the movement of the price action, upward movement of the price action, the trader's interest will be more increased and the volume profile will show more interest of the trader even beyond the resistance of this pennant. Therefore, in that situation, there will be easy for the price line to have a breakout from this pennant. At this time, it is making a very strong attempt to break out. Now, next is the daily chart, and I have placed the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 200, and 100 simple moving averages on this daily chart. And now at this time, the price action has crossed up all these moving averages, and finally when the price action crossed up this 100 simple moving average here, it retested the 25, 50, and 200 at one time, all three moving averages as a support, and bounced very well from this level. At this time, we can see that the smallest time period moving average is above all other moving averages, and then we have 50, then 200, and then 100. If this 100 simple moving average will cross up this 200 simple moving average, then a complete open alligator mouth will be formed, and that can lift the price action very, very strong bullish. Like for example, we had here back in June 2019, when we had the biggest time period moving average below all other moving averages, then 100, then 50, then the 25, the smallest time period moving average was above all the moving averages. Then we had a complete open alligator mouth by these simple moving averages, and the price action moved up to $121. Same as like that, we can have the move again once this open alligator mouth will be completed, after when this 100 simple moving average will break out or cross up this 200 simple moving average. Now next chart is the weekly long-term chart, and here the price action is moving in a wedge pattern, and after having a strong bounce from the support, it is moving upward to hit the resistance again, and at this time this resistance is at almost $88. I have also placed the Bollinger Bands on this chart. Then we can see that the Bollinger Bands is below the resistance. Therefore, we have another hurdle or resistance before the resistance of the pennant that will be a very strong hurdle for the price line to reach up to the resistance level and to have a breakout from this resistance. However, it is possible that with the movement of the price action, the Bollinger Bands will be also started moving up. For example, here, if we place the Bollinger Bands on the daily chart, then we can observe that the Bollinger Bands is showing an uptrend, a completely uptrend. So with the movement of the price action on the weekly chart, the Bollinger Bands can show the uptrend or upward move like it is showing on the daily chart as well. And there is very interesting move of the price action that is synchronized with these three indicators, the combination of these three indicators. For example, whenever the price action reaches at the support and we receive the stochastic bull cross from the oversold zone, and the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence indicator, started turning bullish, and finally we receive the bullish signals by the momentum indicator, then the price action turns bullish, and this move leads the price action up to the resistance of the channel of this wedge pattern. And here in the month of December, we have seen the same move that when the price action reached up to the support of this wedge, then we received a bullish cross or bull cross by the stochastic. The MACD started turning bullish, and finally we received the bullish signals by the momentum indicator before the December on 4th November. Then the price action turned bullish, and therefore we can expect that this time again the price action will again make another attempt to have a breakout from this wedge pattern like it has been doing after receiving these signals, and we have already received the same signals before the bullish divergence this time. Now let's move to the final chart, and this is my most favorite move by the price action of Monero, that it has formed a very big bullish bad pattern. Like the XLM, in my XLM video you can watch, the XLM has also formed a very big bad pattern on the 2-month chart, and it has formed a very big bad pattern on the monthly chart. And this is the final, this is the first initial leg, and after that it has retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci. I've just ignored this extra spike, and after that it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to B leg, and then finally it is retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci level. And this is the final confirmation of a complete bullish bad pattern. And we can see that so many times the price action tried to break down the resistance, this potential reversal zone or buying zone, but so far it is not successful to break down this level. This is very strong support. Now, as per Fibonacci sequence of bad pattern, the price action should take the bullish divergence from here, and it should enter in this area, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection level, and this is the projection of A to D leg, and that will be, if the price action will be moved up to this level, that will be more than 350% big move. However, I'm expecting if the price action will break out this level, the 0.786 Fibonacci level on the long term, then it will be possible for the price line to move up to the previous highest price ever by the Monero, that is almost $500, and that will be very easy after crossing up this level. And after, when the price action will be reached there and will break out that level, then it can definitely achieve the highest price ever than the previous highest price in the history of the Monero. That is possible due to this very big bullish bad move by the Monero. So this was the update so far by the XMR. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel. Do share my videos as well, and do share your comments in the comment section as well. Take care. Goodbye.